Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. We have root under x into x plus 2 plus root under x into x plus 2 plus dot 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 is equal to 7. How we can solve this question? You are seeing that root is there, and here on the right side we have a constant value. So we need to remove this root, and how we can remove this root? By squaring on both sides we can remove this root, right? So here just I'm doing a squaring on both sides, and after doing a square I will have x into x plus 2 plus root under, that is x into x plus 2 plus dot dot dot, and is equal to 7 square, that is giving us 49. And now you are seeing that this value is, the whole value is 7, the same is inside here, okay, after plus. So we can just plug in 7 over here. So after substituting value for this, we have 7, and that is equal to, we have 49. So obviously it is going to give us a quadratic equation, right? So this one is x into x plus 2, and we have 49 minus 7, and it is giving us 42, right? And x into x plus 2. So we are having, a quadratic equation, that is x square, and we have 2x, and this 42 will be on left side, so we'll change its sign. So x square plus 2 minus 42 is equal to 0, and we are going to compare with our standard quadratic equation. So this value we have, okay, suppose ax square bx plus c equal to 0, so a should not be equal to 0, and a, b, c all are real numbers. So we have, okay, value for x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac, and that is dividing by 2a. So in the same way we just compare these values, okay, with this one. So instead of a we have 1 here after comparing with this standard equation, and instead of b we have 2, and instead of c we have negative of 42. So we are just going to put all those values over here. So we have minus 2 and plus minus root under, we have b square minus 4ac. So b is what, 2 square minus 4, a is 1 here, and c is what, 42, negative of 42, and that is going to divide by 2a. So a is having one value, so nothing is going to change over here. So in the same way you can do further calculation. So this is going to give us negative 2 plus minus root under, and 4 minus here it is going to add, right? So after this one multiplying, so 4 into 2, that is coming 8, and 4 into 4, that is giving us 16, and divided by 2. So we have this value, and then after simplification we can proceed in this way. So it is coming to 8 plus 2 is 12, and here 7, and here 1. So we have these values, and we can say that this is coming 172. So, and that is going to divide it. So 172 is giving us, if I'm doing 172 factorizations, I will have 2, and this is 8, and here 6, and then 2 once again, so 4 into 3. So we are having 2 into 2 into 43. So obviously it is having 2 square over here. So we have 2 square into 43. So this is going to put over here. So we have minus 2 plus minus, and we have 2 square into 43 divided by 2. So 2 square will come outside, and that is going to give us 2 plus minus, and 2 square will come outside of root. So we'll have a 2 here, and that is here 43 root under, and we have 2. So 2 is going to cancel after taking common. So we have a values is here, that is negative 1, and we have plus minus root under 43. So this is our solution for x, and that one is going to give us the value. So there are two values for x. Those values are x is equal to, we have x is equal to two values, so that is what, minus 1, negative root under 43, and another value is negative 1 plus root under 43. This is our solution. There are two solutions, right? So this is our final solution for x. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.